In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a 2x2 picture in Canva. If you've ever found yourself needing a perfectly square image with dimensions in inches, you're in the right place. We'll be using Canva, a fantastic and user-friendly online design tool. So let's dive right in and get started. First off, navigate to Canva's homepage. Once you're there, you're going to look for the custom size button. It's typically found when you hit create a design, and it allows you to specify the exact dimensions you need for your project. This is crucial for creating a precise 2" by 2" design. Next, you'll see an option to choose your units of measurement. By default, Canva might be set to pixels, which is why you'll need to click on px and then change it to inches. This step is vital to ensure that your design comes out at the desired physical size, especially if you're planning to print it. Now that you've switched to inches, it's time to set the dimensions. Go ahead and type 2 in both the width and height boxes. This will set the canvas to a perfect 2" by 2" square. Being precise here is important, especially if you're preparing the image for official documents or specific needs that require strict sizing. Once you've typed in those dimensions, you'll see a button labeled Create New Design. Click on this button and Canva will instantly generate a new blank canvas with the 2x2 size you've specified. From here, the creative process starts. You can now customize your design by adding text, images, backgrounds, and other elements to fit your project's needs. Earlier, setting the correct size and units was crucial because without the right dimensions, your project might not fit the intended purpose. So paying attention to these details ensures that your final design will be exactly what you planned for, whether for personal use or professional work. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to create a 2x2 picture in Canva. Remember, whether you're making passport photos, tiny prints, or other specific size designs, understanding how to manipulate dimensions and units in Canva is a fundamental tool in your design toolkit. Don't forget to explore Canva's plethora of features to enhance your designs further and let your creativity shine. That wraps up our tutorial today. I hope you found this guide straightforward and easy to follow. Stay tuned for more informative design tips and tricks. Until next time, happy designing.